Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as the owner of a Google Partner company. And today I'm here with a new question from my audience. So let's get started on the question I have today. And the question is, I'm wondering why does the daily budget keeps increasing every time we change the budget on Google Ads? It started at $25. It was more than the client budget. I had set it to $15. Then it asked to be raised to 35, and we did $25, and today it is asking to budget to be $55. So we need to keep on chasing. I have changed my bid strategy to maximize clicks for now and observe results for today and tomorrow. Any suggestions? I would appreciate it a lot. Okay, so you may see that Google has a recommendation tab on their Google Ads dashboard whenever you open their Google Ads dashboard, and it will often recommend you different things. And increasing your budget is one of the recommendations which often people see over in the recommendations tab. Okay, so now what it happens is, because Google as an algorithm automatic based structure which has developed algorithm to run Google Ads primarily on basis on the quality score, it automatically suggests you to spend more and more money. Why? Because Google wants you to spend as much money as possible. Google wants advertisers to spend more so they can earn more. So understand the theory over here, that Google wants you to spend as much as you have in your pocket so that they can take the maximum out of it. Now, before you reach your budget, increase your budget, there are a few questions which I ask. You have an option to dismiss the recommendation. Why you are not doing it, and why you are so influenced by the Google decision to raise your budget. I believe that raising your budget is a very small aspect. You first need to figure out, are you in your equilibrium point, or are you making more, or are you in your loss? In case if you are in loss, you do not have to increase your budget. If you are on equilibrium, we can discuss. If you are on profits, that's very good, we can increase your budget. We need to understand. And the second is, our pocket does allow, and is the market big enough, or if your client can handle so much orders or products or services. You need to see several factors. In case if you are raising your budget and getting a lot of orders, but your client cannot manage those orders, so what's the purpose of increasing the budget? So you need to understand first. So for now, just ignore this suggestion. You can continue with your existing budget. You do not need to worry with any increasing the budget. You can go with your old budget, and only raise budget when you feel there is a need, or if you have hired a new staff or team, or your new machinery, and you are open for more clients, or in case if you got a more budget, then go with this option. Otherwise, you can always ignore this. I hope this answers your question. But in case if you're looking for a professional help, me and my team can definitely hire you. So what you guys have to do is to hire us through the you can hire us. Sorry, you can hire me and my team. So you can hire us through the link in the description, and we're gonna make sure to get an awesome Google Ads campaign. So yeah, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.